Dear students, have you wondered the role of non-nutrient agar along with E. coli in the studies done for the free-living amoebae like Naegleria and Acanthamoeba? Non-nutrient agar do not contain nutrition, because of which it becomes extremely difficult for the bacteria to grow. So when you place an E. coli in the non-nutrient agar, the E. coli will not be able to multiply extensively. At this point of time, the E. coli is not at its maximum strength. So now the amoeba is capable of eating the organism efficiently. Now, you will be able to read the interaction between the amoeba and the organism E. coli very efficiently, because now it's an equal match. Generally, amoebae are eukaryotes. They don't multiply as fast as a bacteria like E. coli. So when you block the growth of E. coli using non-nutrient agar, in that medium, the amoeba can grow and they can eat up the E. coli, because of which the interactions can be read amazingly well. That is the purpose of using non-nutrient agar in case of amoebic studies.